The next item that was on the rubric to be graded was your use of proper formulas. Formulas are going to be very, very important for spreadsheets because when you update your numbers, it'll update your math. It will also update your charts, and it's a very, very powerful thing. What we want to ensure is that you're actually using the proper formulas, that you're actually referencing cells rather than the numbers in the cells, and that you're able to format it correctly. So the two places we looked at to grade were first off in basic numbers. When you go to basic numbers, we went to the population doubling time. And again, the formula was 700 divided by the total of your birth rate minus your death rate and plus your net migration. It's very important that you take your birth rate minus your death rate plus your net migration, and you answer that equation first before you divide it by 700 or 700 divided by that answer. The reason for it is if you don't put the parentheses, what's going to happen is the number would be 700 divided by whatever the birth rate is, and then subtract out the death rate, and then add in the net migration. Your number is going to be completely wrong. So go through and check your formula. Make sure it's there. Also, very, very crazy important, please ensure that you're referring to actual cells, in this case F4 or G4, rather than say 19.89 or 7.35. You want to make sure that everything's nice and clean. The second place where you did some formulas that we graded was in your urbanization and space. And what we looked at was your population density. And remember, your density is going to be your population divided by your land area. So your population would be the F column, and your area is the G column. So if I go up to the formulas, I should expect to see something like this, rather than a number typed in. Make sure they're all there. The third place where you probably should have done some math would have been your population pyramid itself, where you were trying to divide out your males or females by whatever age by your total population. Again, make sure you're looking at those dollar signs, make an absolute location for your total population. Make sure you're making the males a negative number and the females a positive number. That's probably going to solve a lot of the problems that you have in your graphs and charts. So go back, check your math if you need to, and make sure things are going well. Make sure it's formatted properly. Make sure you're referring to a cell rather than a number whenever you can help it. Thanks for watching.